welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we started the topic in which we learned about the calculation of goodwill, right? And we learned how to calculate the goodwill using your average profit method. Now in this video, I'm going to take few more questions based upon your average profit method so that you have a clear understanding, right? So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the question that I'm going to take in this video is, you can see on your screen. So Meena purchased Simmi's business from 1st April 2015. The profit disclosed by Simmi's business for the last 3 years were as follows. Year ending 31st March 2013, rupees 40, including an abnormal gain of rupees 5,000. Year ending 31st March 2014, rupees 50,000 after charging an abnormal loss of rupees 10,000. And lastly, year ending 31st March 2015, rupees 45,000, excluding 5,000 as an annual insurance premium of firm's property now insured. Calculate the value of firm's goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit for the last 3 years. So in this question, as you can see, they are talking about the 3 years, right? 2013, 2014 and 2015. So in this question, your question is little different from the question that we did in the last video. And what's the difference? So basically, as you can see, आपको previous year के profit के साथ साथ abnormal loss and abnormal gain भी दे रखा है, right? So before heading with the question, I would like to clear you one thing, that there are two things which is given in the question: your abnormal loss and abnormal gain. Now, what does it mean? As you can understand from the name itself, abnormal loss means any loss which is not normal, right? And abnormal gain means any gain which is not normal to our organization. So, when this abnormal loss is sometimes deducted from your profit, you need to add it back, right? क्योंकि ये आपका normal loss नहीं है, तो आप इसको वापस add कर दोगे, right? In case of your abnormal gain, as it is not your normal gain, so in this case you are going to subtract it from your profit. So this is what you have to do, right? Now in this question, let's solve it together. First of all, we are going to write our years, right? So years and amount of profit that they have given in the question. So year they have given you 2013, 2014 and 2015. Now for the 2013, rupees 40,000. और इसमें they have told you including an abnormal gain of 5,000. So I have told you whenever there is an abnormal gain, you are going to subtract it. Simply subtract it and write the new amount in the outside. Right? Now for 2014, rupees 50,000 after charging an abnormal loss. So 50,000, subtract your add your abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is 10,000. Right? Because abnormal loss needs to be added back. Right? And lastly 45,000. Right? Now read in this question. Excluding 5,000 as an annual insurance premium of firm's property now insured. Now ये जो आपका annual insurance premium है, this is not your abnormal loss. Right? Just try to understand the concept. It is basically your recurring expense that keeps on happening. Right? So you are not going to, add it back in your 2015 because it is already excluded. और जो हमारे recurring profit होता है, हम उसको इसमें से subtract नहीं करते. We subtract it from every year's average profit. Now what does it mean? Now try to understand जो आपका annual insurance premium है, ये आपको हर साल भरना पड़ता है, right? तो instead of subtracting from your years of profit, you are going to subtract it from the 3 years average profit, right? So इसका ये same ही रहेगा, which is 45,000. Now you are simply going to calculate your average. Now how much average you are getting? You are getting 46,667, right? So now you need to subtract your insurance premium, which is given you 41,670. Why you have subtracted the insurance premium now from the average profit? Because I have told you कि जो insurance premium है ना, वो recurring expense है, right? क्योंकि वो आपको हर साल reoccur करना पड़ेगा, तो instead of subtracted from your year's profit, आपको उसको subtract करना है तीनों years के average profit में से, right? So this is your average profit that you are getting. Now simply they have told you to calculate the goodwill. Now apply the formula number of years into average profit. Now how many number of years they have told you in the question? They have told you that 2 years number of years purchase, right? So you are going to multiply 2 going to give you the goodwill which is being asked in this question, right? So your answer is 83,334. This is the amount of goodwill which you are getting in this question, right? So this is how you have to solve the question based upon your abnormal loss and abnormal gain, right? And one thing which I have told you is about the recurring expense, like your insurance premium. You need to subtract it from your 3 years average profit, right? I hope the concept of this question is clear to you. In the description, I am going to attach few practice question to practice those questions, right? Now let's take one more question in this video. Okay, so let's do one more question. The question you can see on your screen. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. They agree to take C into partnership for 1/3 share. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years, which are as follows. Now further, on 1st April 2016, a motorbike costing ₹50,000 was purchased and debited to travelling expense account, on which depreciation is to be charged at the rate 20% per annum. Now calculate the value of goodwill, right? So simply you have to calculate the value of the goodwill in this question. सबसे पहले आप अपना फॉर्मूला लिखो, number of years purchase, right, into your average profit. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको number of years purchase तो readily available है, right? Now you have to do, all you have to do is to calculate the average profit. सबसे पहले आप अपना एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालो और एवरेज प्रॉफिट के लिए आपको चारों साल के, इन दिस केस आपको 3 साल का प्रॉफिट और 1 साल का लॉस दे रखा है, राइट? तो आपको चारों साल के प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस चाहिए, राइट? सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ईयर, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट अमाउंट. नाउ द ईयर व्हिच दे हैव गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम 2015, 14, 15, 16 till 2017. The profit that they have given you 50,000, 120,000, 180,000, and loss for the 2017 which is 70,000. So further they have told you on 1st April 2016 a motorbike costing ₹50,000 was purchased and debited to travelling expense account. तो ये जो आपका 70,000 का लॉस है, इसके अंदर जो 50,000 है वो आपका वो अमाउंट है जो आपको यहाँ पर डेबिट नहीं करना था. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमारा ट्रैवल एक्सपेंस से रिलेटेड नहीं है. तो आप सिंपली 50,000 को माइनस कर दोगे यहाँ से, ठीक है? और उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला है on which depreciation is to be charged 20% per annum, right? So what you are going to do, ये जो depreciation है मोटर बाइक के ऊपर, ये एक्चुअली तुम्हारा वो खर्चा है जो आपको यहाँ दिखाना है, राइट? तो आप क्या करोगे, इस 50,000 पे आप अपना डेप्रिसिएशन निकालोगे which is 20%. It is giving you 10,000, राइट? तो अब आप क्या करोगे, इस 10,000 को ऐड करोगे, it is giving you 12,000, सॉरी, राइट? तो ये जो आपका 10,000 है, अब इसको आप ऐड करोगे अपने उस ईयर के प्रॉफिट में, right? Which in case is not a profit actually but a loss, right? So let me repeat it. In the year 2017 उन्होंने आपको बोला है कि एक मोटर बाइक है जिसका जो खर्चा है वो आपने ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस से चार्ज कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो लॉस है वो ज्यादा आ रहा है. सबसे पहले आप उस 50,000 को कम कर दोगे अपने उस साल के लॉस में से. अब बात आती है आपकी डेप्रिसिएशन की. ये जो डेप्रिसिएशन है ये एक्चुअली में वो लॉस है जो आपका 2017 में कंसीडर करा जाएगा. तो अब आप क्या करते हो, इस 50,000 पे 20% का डेप्रिसिएशन निकालोगे और उसको उसमें ऐड कर दोगे, which will give you the loss of 30,000 instead of 70,000. आपका लॉस इस साल में 70,000 नहीं था, आपका लॉस इस साल में 30,000 था, ठीक है? तो ये जो आपको फर्दर एक एडजस्टमेंट उन्होंने दे रखी है, you have taken that into consideration. Now you have the actual profit and losses of all 4 years. Simply calculate your average profit, 50,000 plus 120,000 plus 180,000 and subtract your loss divided by 4. It is giving you how much? It is giving you 80,000, right? Now simply calculate your goodwill. The formula for goodwill is number of years purchased into your average profit. Number of years purchased are given in the question and average profit is 180. It is giving you 1,60,000 as the amount of Goodwill. So this is what you have to do in this question. This is it